Alright, welcome back everybody. When your 7-year-old says, hey daddy, let's build a cruise ship in Minecraft and you never built one, we are trying our best here to do this, to build this cruise ship. And of course when it gets done I will show y'all what it looks like. But this is where we're at now. I've never built one of these, so I'm not 100% sure how to build one. But this is the outline of what the cruise ship is going to look like. So get it done, I will do a little video and show y'all what it looks like. So yeah, I just wanted to see when this gets done. I don't want, I was gonna show it when it got done, but I didn't want people to say, oh well, you didn't build that. So you can see that that we are actually, yes, we are on creative, and yes, we are actually building this and stuff, and it's going to take some time. It's probably going to be 4 or 5 days before the actual video is out, because this is going to take some time to build right here. But anyways, thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the outline right here of the cruise ship. The whole outline now is done, so this is what it's going to look like. Like I said, I've never built one, but this is what we're going to look like. So that part of it right there is done. We've got this right here. Come around back. Oh, we got to fix this right there. Let's see, and we got to fix this right here. There we go. So yeah, so that's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to go ahead and finish it and get some more work done on it and everything, and show y'all what it looks like when we get done with it. So thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Alright, so here we go. There's Witted down there with me. Where's he at? Witted Lemur's right here. So here's the floor of the boat. The or the cruise ship, excuse me. The outline of it done. Yeah, baby. The inside of it done. This is what he wanted it to look like. This is it looks the way he wanted it. Hold on. So yeah, so far this is what we're gonna do. This is what we got. So we're gonna start building up from here, flooring up, and doing what we have to do to come up to get all this done. So just stay tuned and continue to watch, and we will get back with y'all. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, so he wanted oak planks for the flooring. So this is what it looks like now. I'm trying to get this thing to fly a little bit faster. There we go. So this is what our it looks like at this point. Let's go around here and look at this side, and I'll show y'all real quick right here, and we'll go from here. So whoops, what is that right there? So anyways, thank y'all for watching, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. So Junior's building the smokestacks on here, and I'm gonna sit here and watch y'all. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Show us how to build a smokestacks. Witted's building smokestacks, so I want to see how he does this, because he told me I was doing it wrong. So let's watch him do this. No, you go ahead. And he's 7 years old, and he's doing this. This is awesome. It'll be as high as you want it to be. That's good. You're doing good. Keep going. Keep going. No, you keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Finish that one up. And there are 2 smokestacks, both built by Wooded Lemur 4. That is so cool. That is so cool. Hold on. Okay, yeah, you go ahead. Try to get it center of them 2 right there in front of you, okay? So you want the center of it to be right here. Okay? Hey, hold on. Stop. Come over here a minute, buddy. Look. Come over here. Move it over 1 block like this, okay? Move it over right there. Make it right there, okay? Yeah. There you go. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and build it however you build it. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to mess you up, but that's where you need to build it at, okay? Now remember, he is 7 years old, and he is building this like he's an expert on building on Minecraft. I'm just so proud of him. I'm just so very proud of him. There you go. And look at the way he does it, the way he takes the detail and stuff into effect. This is awesome. Yeah, keep going, baby. His headset's not working, so y'all can't hear him talking, but this is just, I'm just so in awe of this. He's doing really good. I'm trying to get y'all all the views of him building so you can see him doing it. Same thing over here, baby. There you go. Watch this. This is just so cool. Good job, Wooded. Way to go, buddy. Let's get a good look. Yeah, hold on. Let's get a good view at this. Look at that. That looks... Oh, yeah, buddy, I got the video of you doing this, okay? That is a good job. Yeah, I'll put it on your channel, too. All right, hold on. Let me stop the video.